after I graduated high school, I was actually a biochem major in the honors program at Florida State. It sounds a little strange now looking back, but I didn't think I was quite ready to buckle down and study the way I needed to do to go to medical school. And so I call it my 5-year break. I enlisted in the Marines. I trained as a celestial navigator. That included time in Pensacola, which is my hometown, and then San Antonio for about a year. And after that, I was in Cherry Point, North Carolina. I also spent some time at Camp Lejeune. So when I got out of the Marines, I hadn't finished my degree. So once I got out, I went home and I changed my major every semester because I wasn't sure exactly what it is I wanted to do. I have literally majored in everything from studio art to psychology, marketing. I ended up in criminal justice. And the reason it stuck with me is it held my attention for an entire semester. All the other classes, even though studio art is fun, I also play the violin, so I did violin performance for one semester. And those things are great, and I certainly love them. I still play, I still draw, but it wasn't something that I could see myself doing long term. So when I started getting into the criminal justice procedures and systems, I started working at the Pensacola Police Department. I finished my bachelor's degree. I started my master's degree in criminal justice administration. I was living in Pensacola and there's no law school anywhere nearby, but I met my husband. And he's in Montgomery, and we moved up here. Law school hadn't really occurred to me until then. We looked into it. I took the LSAT late, and I applied late, and I was accepted. I have to thank my husband for it, 100%. But I can't imagine doing anything else now. So when I got the opportunity to work at Beasley Allen, I was actually clerking at the Alabama Supreme Court at the time, and a friend had recommended me for a position here. I came on as a law clerk in the fall of my second year of law school, and I knew very quickly that this was where I wanted to end up. The fact that the firm has weekly devotionals, daily devotionals now that are emailed out from Mr. Beasley, it just spoke so highly of the firm itself. And then when I got to know the people that are my coworkers, the more I worked with them, the more impressed I was, not just with their legal abilities, but who they are as people. I just think that we're all working hard for our clients. We're all trying to help those who need it most. And I think that that motto is so ingrained in the people that work here that it keeps the firm together. We're close-knit because we actually believe that. At this point, I can't imagine working at any other firm. We joke that they're gonna have to fire me, but they really are. I will be here until I'm not allowed to be here anymore.